Hey everyone, and welcome back to Health Awareness Africa. Today, we're tackling a really important topic that affects so many of us. Diabetes. It's one of Africa's fastest growing health challenges. But do you really understand how it works? Let's break it down simply, without any confusing medical jargon. So, how does sugar behave in your body normally? Every time you eat, whether it's rice, bread, fruits, or even a sweet treat, your body breaks that food down into glucose, which is a simple sugar. Think of this sugar as your body's fuel. It gives you the energy to move, think, and live your life. But here's the cool part. Your body's cells can't just grab that sugar on their own. They need a special helper, like a key, to open the doors and let the sugar inside. That key is called insulin, and it's made by a small organ in your body called the pancreas. When everything is working perfectly, insulin unlocks those cell doors, the sugar goes in, and your body gets all the energy it needs. Simple, right? Now, imagine that key insulin is either missing or it's broken. What happens then? The sugar tries to get into your cells, but the doors stay stubbornly locked. So, where does all that sugar go? It starts building up in your blood. And that, my friends, is diabetes. Too much sugar in your blood because your insulin is not doing its job properly. Your body might start feeling weak, tired, and super thirsty because, even with all that sugar floating around, your cells are actually starving for energy. Over time, this extra sugar silently starts to damage important parts of your body: your eyes, kidneys, nerves, heart, and even your feet. That's why understanding diabetes and treating it seriously is so crucial. Let's quickly look at the three main types. First, there's type 1 diabetes, where your body completely stops making insulin. No key at all. People with type 1 need daily insulin injections to live healthy lives. Then we have type 2 diabetes, which is the most common type, especially here in Africa. With type 2, your body does make insulin, but it doesn't work well. It's like a key that doesn't quite fit. This type is often linked to things like being overweight, eating too much sugary food, or not exercising enough. The good news is, it can often be managed with diet changes, exercise, tablets, and sometimes insulin. Finally, there's gestational diabetes, which happens during pregnancy and usually goes away after the baby is born. But it's important for women to monitor their blood sugar carefully during that time. The truly positive news is that you absolutely can control diabetes and live a full, healthy life. It's all about making smart choices. First, healthy eating is key. Load up on vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains. Try to cut down on sugary drinks, sweets, and fried foods, and aim for smaller, regular portions. Second, get moving. Even a brisk 30-minute walk every day can make a huge difference, helping your insulin work better. Third, medication. If your doctor prescribes tablets or insulin injections, follow their advice closely. These help your body use insulin more effectively or replace what your body can't make. Never stop medication on your own. And finally, regular testing helps you understand what's working best for your body. Now, a very important warning. In Africa, we sometimes see people trying to treat diabetes with unproven herbs or random drugs without proper testing. This can be incredibly dangerous. While it might make you feel better for a short time, that sugar is still silently damaging your internal organs. So please, don't guess, and don't delay. Get tested by a healthcare professional and stick to a proper treatment plan. Remember, insulin is that vital key that helps your body use sugar for energy. Without it, sugar stays locked in your blood, and your body begins to suffer. So, let's take care of our health. eat wisely, move daily, and always follow your doctor's guidance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Health Awareness Africa for more simple, clear videos on diabetes, malaria, ulcers, and other common health topics. Together, we can build healthier Africa.